Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to put your notification bell on. So today I will be doing chicken, and my most important thing here is to show you and share with you the ingredients that I use. So as you can see, I already have the chicken washed already. And here is my scallions, paprika, and garlic. I have ginger and black pepper, garlic, onion, putting them in the blender. As you guys can see, I added seasoning cube, I added olive oil to the other ingredients and blend them together. And then I got this um, paste of the ingredients blended together. So in the next step is to season the chicken with the ingredients that I blended. Make sure that you put the blended ingredients very well into the chicken, and then preheat the oven into 150. And here I have my garden egg washed already, and I'm cutting it into small pieces. You can cut it anyhow you want. And the next step is to season them with the garlic, ginger, black pepper, little bit of salt. So the next step is the end. The result has come out, and this is what I get. Come join me, and you can try also at home. Thank you for watching. See you guys. Bye.